are less than 100 rupees and they are so good. They are really great brushes if you are into graphic liners. But I don't know why everybody likes it. I don't get the point. I got really a broken and a damaged product from Amazon. There's a little story with this palette. This comes with freaking eyelash glue. What? Bring back those 90s vibe. It took me an hour to do my whole makeup, but this is so worth it. I'm in love. But anyways, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some of the products that I got from Amazon and have been using them constantly. So this will be not just a haul, but I'll also try to give you guys a mini review of each and every product. And also I didn't buy these products at one go. I did buy them here and there for the last 2 months, and I then collected it and then thought of doing an Amazon haul after I collect a bunch of items. And now it's the time, but I think it's a lot of products for a single video. So I think I'm going to break it down and do today only the makeup haul from Amazon, and in my next video I'm going to do all the skincare haul from Amazon. So yeah, let's start. And also today is seriously a rainy day. Just now within an hour the whole area just got flooded, so you can understand there will be a little bit of sound of rain here and there, so please bear with me. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start with no particular order. Let's start with eyeshadow palettes because I'm really excited about the eyeshadow palettes that I got. So the first eyeshadow palette that I got is the Mars eyeshadow palette. This one is Lit It Up. There were 3 palettes of this range and I got this one. Okay, let me show you guys. So I got the purple one. I was so excited about this lavender shade, and yeah, I am kind of happy with this palette. As you guys can see, I have already used them, and I have even used this palette today in my look. In fact, I haven't used any other palette other than this one. I have used this color over here and on my lower lash line, and also this color as well. This one and this one I have used on my inner corners today. All in all, I really like this palette. So yeah, go ahead and try this palette out. But I think I'm gonna make a whole Mars in-depth review video, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And also I didn't show you guys, it has a mirror as well. Kind of really unexpected to get a mirror with eyeshadow palette at this range. Now the next palette is my favorite palette. I have made so many videos. As I've told you guys, I am collecting these Amazon products for last 2 months, so I've tried it out and I have even featured most of the products in some of my videos. So this one is the Swiss Beauty's Ultimate Shadow Palette number 4. So this is the color palette. I am so happy that I got my hands on this palette. This is pigmented as well as so affordable. I just love this palette. Most of the time I wear this palette, I use it as a blush, contour, eyeshadow, obviously, bronzer in fact, and in one of my videos I have used it as a lipstick. So you can understand how much I love this palette. So yeah, go ahead. No, don't think at all. Just get your hands on this palette. It is totally worth it. So the next palette is, there's a little story with this palette. So the palette is this one. This is Nicka K's Oh Honey palette. So I was like really excited to try Oh Honey because I got myself Lucky Charm and the green palette. I don't remember the name. So mainly I got the orange and the green palette, this small palette, and I was so happy to get them because they were really, the matte shadows are really pigmented and I really loved it. So I thought let me just buy the yellow one because I don't really have a good yellow eyeshadow palette and yellows are really hard to make. So I was excited to get this one. But you know what happened? When I got this one, I got really a broken and a damaged product from Amazon, which is this one. You can see it's totally broken and it was a lot worse. I actually cleaned the palette. It was all the shimmer shadows was everywhere. It was so dirty because of the broken shadows and everything. It was my mistake that I didn't remember while placing the order that it is not replaceable as well as refundable. So I thought, what I'm going to do now? And I know I can place order for another palette, but I really wanted to try to talk to Amazon about the product because it was not my fault. Then I talked to them and they were so kind enough to give me another palette without any extra penny. They just gave me another palette, you guys can see, and they didn't even take the previous damaged one. I was really happy as a customer, you know. These are the 3 palettes that I got. I really liked all those palettes, this one too, and I have a whole video regarding this palette, a summer sunshine makeup look. I really enjoyed doing makeup with this palette there as well. So all the palettes are good, but if you want to know about one single palette from these 3, get the Swiss Beauty one. That's a life-changing palette. As you guys can see, I am really more attracted to small 9-pan, 4-pan kind of palettes. I don't like big eyeshadow palettes. They are really hard to carry or even hold. You know, I have such a messy hand. I can't handle those things. I'll break it. So I really love small things. Okay, so this product, oh my god, you have to get this one if you are into graphic liners. Or this is Amazon Gems, I think. This is very inexpensive and it is, oh my god, so good quality. After using them, I was like just shook. So don't worry, I'm gonna tell you guys. These are brushes. These are so fine brushes, and they are really great brushes if you are into graphic liners and you know all those creative makeup look that people do on Instagram. Yes, these are the brushes that you need. And oh my god, I was hunting good liner brushes, good fine precise liner brushes for so long, and they are so expensive. And you know what, then I searched on Amazon and Amazon never disappoints me. These are basically nail art brushes and these are basically dotting tools. So they come as a set. You can see there are circles over here of different size which you gonna use to create dot if you want to make a dot pattern or just create different look. Get this one if you are into creative makeups, or even if you want liner, precise liners like this white liner. I did it with this brush, and also this this brown liner, and I even did the whole pink cut crease with one of these brush. So these brushes I use them every single day. Whenever I have to shoot, I had to use these brushes. Since we are talking about liners and liner brushes, let's talk about a felt tip liner that I got. So I got myself the Insight felt tip liner. It is really good. I have been using this for the past 1 week. So the tip is really good. I just anyways, I really like this product. This is really cheap as compared to other felt tip liners on the market. So you can get this one if you are searching for a felt tip liner which is affordable as well as good. Okay, now we are into this Insight Cosmetics territory. So I have to also talk about other Insight products of this haul. I got a bunch of Insight products, as you guys have seen my Insight review video. If you haven't, don't worry, I'm gonna link here. So I got this Insight foundation. Okay, now since I have talked about each of the Insight products in a detailed video, I am not going to give you guys any review here. I'm gonna quickly just mention the name. So this is the Insight Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. I got this one in the shade Rose Beige 02. Now the second one is this Insight Duo 2-in-1 Stick Contour and Highlighter. Love this product. This is the Insight's Pro Concealer Palette. You have got color correctors as well as contour over here. So yeah, love this product from Insight, but also I don't like few features of them. Know about that, you have to watch that video. And let me tell you guys, I'm wearing this foundation now as well. This foundation, I'm wearing it, and I have used this contour stick to do my contouring today, and I didn't use this one though. Okay, now let's talk about another product which I'm supremely excited to talk to you guys about. So I got myself false eyelashes. Yes, for the first freaking time. I was so scared to get falsies for myself because I haven't tried them. I got myself this, I can't actually pronounce the brand name, but this is it. I am wearing the last twos on my eyes now, and it's really good. And also I'm wearing the smallest one. This is the largest one. So since the smallest you guys can see is so out there, you can imagine what will be the biggest one look like. It looks so pretty. It just makes my eyes so pretty. I can't explain, it's so pretty. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, that this comes with freaking eyelash glue. What? This is so cheap. You know, if you consider buying eyelashes separately and eyelash glue separately, it will cost you a lot. Get a set, I would say. So I really recommend this one because I've been using the last one, though I didn't touch this too. The eyelash band which everybody talks about is flexible, so that was also my concern, but it was really flexible and the glue is really sticky. The adhesive is really good. So wait, let me show you guys the glue. This is the glue. This is white, but it dries out to be clear. So the glue, you can't see it. You can't see any glue over here. So it looks really pretty. So let's talk about a product which I don't like, but I don't know why everybody likes it. I don't get the point. I have seen serious problems with my makeup after I put on that product. This is a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. Their concealers, their eyeshadow palettes, their everything works for me. I love Swiss Beauty as a brand, but I don't know why this product didn't work for me. I actually got this one because makeup fixers are really expensive. Like, you know, brushes, makeup brushes are so freaking expensive. So like that, makeup fixers or sprays are really expensive. So I thought, wow, Swiss Beauty has a makeup fixer which is really cheap. I mean really cheap. So let me just try that one. I started using them, and mind you, this was one of the first products that I got from the haul. So I've been using this constantly, so the review is really well tested and tried. So for initial 2 to 3 days when I applied this, I thought like, okay, not bad, let me try it even more, then I'll be able to come to correct proper conclusion. Then I again used it for like 7 days, 10 days, and then I understood why this product is making me crease more. I don't know. When I put on compact and everything, my base is all sealed, but whenever I put this thing after makeup, everything starts creasing. I don't know why. I know that this is a kind of a spray, a liquid thing. When it comes to your face, your makeup melts and everything, I understand, but after some time it will dry up, obviously. What happens to me is that everything dries up, but I get creasing everywhere. I mean, on my smile lines and here I get creasing. So I stopped using this product. I don't actually like it anymore, so I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy it. And also I have dry skin, so I don't know this one doesn't work for dry skin or not. I have no clue, but this didn't work for me. Oh my god, that was a huge ass review that I gave on a haul video. Let's lighten up the mood a little bit. So the next two products I really liked from Swiss Beauty. So this one is a Pearl Illuminator makeup base. I really liked their consistency, the finish that it gives after I put on. Even I'm wearing this one under my makeup. It will basically give you guys a nice glow from within look, nice luminous face. So as you guys can see, my face looks a lot glowy, but I don't have any chunky glitter highlighter, nothing shimmery. I like my highlighters and illuminators to be glowy, but there should not be any shimmer particles. My shade is wait, oh, 01 Golden Pink. The next product from Swiss Beauty that I really love, and this is the most hyped product from Swiss Beauty, and I really get why this is so hyped, because this is such a great product at such an affordable range. So I'm basically talking about the Swiss Beauty's concealer. I got the shade where is the shade name? I got the shade 02 Sand Sable. So this is also one of the products that I got initially. So I have been using this constantly. I have used this today as well. I use it every day. Yesterday, I'm gonna even wear this tomorrow. Really love this concealer. The consistency, the coverage, so good. I use it as a highlighting concealer. You can see I kind of have finished this much, so kind of done with 50% of the product. Highly recommend this one. If you don't have any Swiss Beauty product and want to try out, start with this one. Start with this one as well as the eyeshadow palette that I talked about previously. You're gonna fall in love with Swiss Beauty as a brand if you start with these two products. Let's talk about our makeup product which is really on trend now. Bring back those 90s vibe. I'm basically talking about glosses. Yes, now is the time for all glossy lips. Previously it was matte lips, but the trend has changed and people are stocking up with glosses. New small business are coming up with different glosses, and I'm loving those. This is again the Inside Cosmetics gloss. Why didn't I talk about this one when I was talking about other Inside products? I don't know. I have a couple of Inside gloss as well, and I'm so freaking in love with these glosses. I can't exaggerate. These are less than 100 rupees and they are so good. I mean, so good. This shade is 08 Glitz, and this is exactly my lip color, but with a little bit of gloss, little bit of shine. Please get your hands on this lip gloss. It is a game changer. So we have kind of came to the last product of this haul, and I am feeling literally tired after talking so much. This one is a lip liner. It's the Wet n Wild lip liner in shade Chestnut. So I really like nude lip liners, nude dark brown sort of a lip liner, and I top it up with different lip shades, but my lip liners kind of remains to brown, nude, dark brown kind of range. So I got this lip liner. This is really creamy and this is the color. I really like it. Yeah, this is really creamy and pigmented, as you guys can see. I love this lip liner. I haven't used it today, but I use it on and off every alternate days, so I really like it. So this is also a really good product. You guys can also buy this one. So yeah, we have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you guys have liked this video. All the products will be there in the description box. Please check out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell button, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
I'm out of practice, I ain't had the energy. Depression is a bitch that won't stop texting me. And this anxiety, what the hell she want from me? And give myself the love I want everybody else to give.